Any money on YouTube without monetization. Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn money with your YouTube channel without monetization. If you haven't get yet 500 subscriber, if you don't have those 3,000 public watching hours they're asking for, you haven't get there yet, and you want to start making money with your YouTube channel, this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. By the way, welcome to my channel. I'm Mivumbi, and welcome to Making Money You. And if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe. I do appreciate your love and support. And let's go to this video, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this. Right, I want to introduce you affiliation marketing. You might heard this about affiliation marketing. Affiliation marketing really is act where you promote a product or service you like to your viewer, and if they go ahead and buy this product or service, you get commission. You don't have to do anything. You don't pack, you don't sell, you don't do anything. Your job just to put your link in your description, in your video description in your YouTube channel, and if your viewer they want to support you, they are going to do that, and when they click that link, they go to the other side, and if they buy, you're going to receive commission. There's a different way, there's a lot of way to do it, but in this video I'm going to show you only one way where we're going to do this affiliation marketing. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. So this way I'm going to introduce you to Amazon affiliation program. So if you haven't heard about this one, I'm going to show you how you can sign up with them and which product to promote. Amazon affiliation program is the best program to start with your affiliation marketing. Amazon affiliation program, go to Google, search that, or I'm going to leave the link below this video. You can click that and you can go direct to Amazon. Come here and sign with Amazon. Come here and sign with Amazon affiliation marketing program. You sign up here with them. Okay, once you already sign up with Amazon, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your account, Amazon Association account, and I want to show you how you can go here and promote a product. Like if you come here, let's see, if we come here, we want to promote this camera, which is camera we use in our video, and your viewer they ask you, where did you get your tools for you to start your YouTube channel? So you go your camera here, you want them to buy this camera, or you want to share this camera with them. So you come here, you come get link, text, and this is the link. This is your unique link for you. You copy this link, you're going to put in your YouTube channel. Right now you already get your link. I'm going to show you how you can put in your YouTube description. So this is the camera I want to promote. You click that here, you get the link, you copy, and you come to your YouTube video. You come here, get the camera I use, you put your link here. Yeah, you can copy this if you want. Copy, you can put in different place, like this one here. You can come here and you can paste here. That's it. That's how you do it. You put in your description, in your YouTube video description, and if they come and click this link and they end up the other side, they buy this camera, you're going to get commission. This is how you can start to make money in your YouTube channel without monetization, or you can start to make money from YouTube from day one. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.